Hey, you guys, and welcome back. So, today I am giving you guys an unbox video. So, as you guys can see right now, I'm sitting at my nail desk and I am in the process of unboxing a nail lamp that has been well overdue. I had this one, unfortunately, it went out on me. So, now I purchased a new one and now I am in the process of unboxing it for you guys so you guys can see what it looked like. And if you're interested in purchasing a new nail lamp for your nail desk or even looking for a good product that you want to use for your nails, this might be it. I mean, I looked at the reviews for it, don't get me wrong. I haven't used it. I just read the reviews. You know, the reviews rule the world now. So we're about to unbox this baby. Let's get into it. So I purchased this bad baby off of Amazon. It was about $50 with shipping, probably like 55 or so. If you're an Amazon Prime member, they discount the shipping. So that's pretty good. So we are about to get into unboxing this nail lamp. So it is a 34-inch nail lamp. So it's one of the ones that they offer on the wider side, and it comes with the C port, the USB port, a power outlet, and a phone stand. So I found that that was very interesting. So I am opening this bad baby up for you guys so you guys can see it. So what comes in here is obviously the lamp itself. This is the frame that they have. You have the two mount pieces that they have on each side, and this is the one that has the dial that you can control the lighting, and it also has the power outlet, the USB ports, and all that stuff in there, okay? And then this one is just the standard base, okay? Now, this also comes with a phone mount. So for you vloggers, you people that do your nails and want to vlog doing it, tutorials and all of that good stuff, this is what this is for. So you will prompt or mount your phone on top of this here, and this is how you record. So it twists this, it does all of this stuff, which you will see later when I assemble it, okay? And then obviously this is the power cord. So I don't need to open this up. You guys see what that is, okay? So now that we have taken all of our things out of our box, we are about to assemble it. So normally you're supposed to use the instructions, right? But it looks self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to wing this, okay? So I'm gonna remove everything out of its packaging to get it all out of my way so I can get to what I need to get to. Love working in a clean area, you guys. Love working in a clean. I'm gonna toss it on the floor right now. So here is the nail lamp itself. Like I said, it comes in two parts, and it's gonna be shaped like this. As you guys already see, it has that shape already. So all you have to do is flip this over. Now, that's what it's gonna look like. And from what I'm looking at, it's definitely the size of my mat here. I will also link this mat in the bio. I got this off of Amazon too. This is just to catch any product pertaining to monomer, acrylic, all of that stuff that you may drop on here, acetone, alcohol, everything. A spill mat, basically. They come in different sizes. I think this is the biggest one. I can't remember exactly how long or about width and height it was, but I will definitely show you guys in a bio, okay? So now we are about to attach this. So this has a electric adapter, I take it, which goes to this side. So I am left-handed. So I want to set this up for my comfortability and where your outlet is. So my outlet is actually the opposite way that I'm facing you guys. It's on this side of my nail table. So I am going to install this on this side, but I'm going to turn it back around so it can be installed properly, okay? Oh, no, I have it on the right side. Okay, cool. So this just goes in here like this, honestly. That's what I see. So we're going to put it in. Boom. Uh-oh. I do not want to knock my water over, you guys, so I have to be careful when I'm doing this. Okay, so this clamps in here, just like that. So it's in there. And this is the side that I'm going to have for my nail side where the plug will go, okay? So now that that's in there, we can mount that down. And then we're just going to use it for this other side. We're going to do the same exact thing, okay? So this doesn't have any electrical things to it. This just clamps right in, okay? So we're going to clamp that right in. We just want to make sure that it's lined up with the inserts at the bottom of it, which it is. And boom, there you have it. That's it. That's all. Simple, right? Okay, so as far as our mount goes, we have to figure out where to put this. I know on the, oh, it goes here. Okay, so I looked at the reviews on this already, so I know you guys probably like, this girl put this together real quick. I mean, some stuff is self-explanatory. So this can go here, as you guys can see. You can put it here if you want. You can clamp it here. You can clamp it there. Hell, you can clamp it over here, however you want to do it. Wherever you want to clamp this, what angle that you want, that's where you put this. So standardly, people have their phone here. So I will clamp it here. And this is where we'll do our tutorials, which I will be giving you guys a lot of those now that I have this. Now, I do want to take the time to welcome all new viewers and all returning subscribers. Please make sure that you follow, like, and share this video. Why wouldn't you share it and you're already watching it? So stop what you're doing right now and just like the video. Like it. Subscribe to it for all the rest of the goodies that I have to give you guys, okay? So our tutorial is actually pretty over. Our unboxing tutorial is actually pretty over. I don't have to plug this in, but I am because we're almost down to it. And what sense would that make to not plug this in so you guys can see the lighting? Duh. Okay, so let me plug it in, okay? Okay, so we have plugged in our nail lamp. So it is a power button here that I will hold, and voila, it comes on. So they have light panels here and here for your convenience, and it's a dial that you can use to turn this all the way up. You can turn it all the way down, way, 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 way down. And this light does have different light settings. So I think this one is the white light. You have yellow light. So white light, semi-white mixed with yellow. Then you have full yellow. So it's your preference. What's better for your eyesight that is. And yes, so once again, I purchased this on Amazon. They have a lot of different varieties of it. When I say look and do your research before you purchase a product, please do so, because it's something that you're going to use to invest into your business. And everything that you purchase will be an investment to your business. So make sure that you are shopping on a budget, shopping for good pricing, and making the best decision when shopping. Okay. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I got this product off of Amazon. I am going to link it in the bio. And if you haven't seen it already, I put it on the video, So you can go order it. Simple assembly, as you guys can see. And that's about it. That's about it. Catch me later, because I will definitely be bringing you guys some nail tutorials with my new doohickey, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to follow, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Until next time.